aka Sarah, and today we're going to draw a little girl with the letter R. So first you're going to draw the letter R. Okay, and now you're going to draw a straight line here. Now color it in. I love this wild strawberry red. Guys, what do you think I'm going to be for Halloween? Should I tell? Okay, so guess. I'll give you a few seconds to guess and then I'll tell you. But first, let me finish the hoodie. Okay, I gave you enough time. So if you said Mirabelle, then you're correct. I'm going to be Mirabelle. Okay, now we're going to draw the face. I'm a pop star. Okay. First, we're going to draw half of the circle. And then you're going to erase a little bit here. And then you're going to draw her hair. Okay, now we are going to draw, we are going to draw the arms. Like that. Now I'm going to draw these simple circles. And then we can draw her rain boots. And her other rain boots. Draw a line. Horizontal line, then vertical line, then another longer horizontal line, then curvy, then another curve, then straight, then another curvy, like that. So, you can put it in slow motion. Okay. Now we can color. Okay. Now, I don't have a black marker that is like not dry and perfectly in good condition. So I'm just going to use my trusty old blue marker. Okay, just have to trace what you already did. Just repeat the process in each step. And then you'll be perfectly fine. Okay. Right? So I got this regular red because this red is like a little pink. So So I'm going to color in the tongue red and the mouth pinkish red. So now we got to color in the skin. Yeah, I'll do this. Now we're gonna use brown. Now we're going to draw the pants blue. Now yellow rain boots, the classics, right? You can't really see the yellow. Maybe you can't see the yellow, but now we're going to draw some blue rain. Just draw any type of line. Or you could do a dewdrop like this. Looks like a yin. It looks like a yin-yang piece. Just draw any type of rain and you'll be perfectly fine. Now you have a perfect little girl winning. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the share button. And also comment at this video. Bye.